Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we are going to compare Tableau and Power BI here based on these criterias which I have it. Okay, why this comparison? Because what comes into everyone's mind, which one to choose, um, which tool to choose for your data analytics or forecasting or your dashboard, whatever it may be. So for that I have designed this. Okay, so these are the criteria on which we are going to just compare, and I'll be writing the winner here, like whether it's a Power BI or a Tableau, and why I chose this. Okay, so if you have any comments on this, you can leave it in the comment section so that I'm okay and ready to receive the comments. Okay, and this is my GitHub page if you haven't. So the first one is what based on the cost. Okay, so Power BI is affordable, and especially for small to mid-sized business. I'll just show you because I'm not just simply saying on my own understanding. So here you can see this is Power BI pricing. You can see here it's starting from $10 per user per month. Okay, and you can publish and share the Power BI report, and which includes Microsoft 365 E5 and Office 365 E5 license, available to buy now with a credit card. So basically it comes with a free account. You can also try it for free. Okay, and also you can try with the Power BI Pro as well. Okay, and you can see as well, like a Power BI premium user, it costs only $20. Okay, so this is Power BI pricing. So I feel like here it starts with very basic, which is, of course, if it is a $10, you can calculate. If it is 80 rupees, 800 to 900 per month for Power BI Pro. Okay, and what happens, what is with Power BI Tableau? So if you see Tableau here, you can see the pricing. It's $115 and it's a enterprise edition. Okay, let's go with the Tableau edition. Okay, it's a $75 Tableau creator, billed annually, sorry, user per month annually. Okay, and here you can see it's a creator version, which means that what you can do, which includes so this is 75 per month. Okay, this includes Power BI Desktop, Builder, Tableau Plus, Pulse, and Tableau Cloud, everything, of course, but it's costliest. Okay, and if you want to just explore Power BI Tableau, it takes more than $42 per month per user. And if you are a viewer, that means you cannot interact with Power BI. You can interact, but you cannot do any visualizations or anything. So it's Tableau, which is only $15. As of my understanding, the winner on the cost is Power BI. More affordable, and with a free tier. It has a free tier as well to use for individuals. Okay. So this is my understanding. So next comes your tools availability. Tool availability, what does it means? Like, see, this is my Power BI desktop. Okay, so I have downloaded through a Microsoft store, and you can see that you can access various sources, data sources. It is freely available. You can download Power BI desktop and you can use it. Okay, if you wanted to use Power BI services, which means that if you want to share and collaborate, definitely you have to buy any pro version, that is at least $10 per month, but no problem. So here you can see you can access you can get the data from any data source. Okay, this is a free version of Power BI desktop. Whereas if you see Tableau, okay, this is actually Tableau Cloud. Okay, sorry, Tableau. This is Tableau desktop, but it is not a free one, it's a paid one. Okay, only in the paid one you can access all the data connectors here. It's a Tableau desktop. Okay, so you can see here, this is a Tableau one. You can see about what is this. Okay, about Tableau, what is it? It's a Tableau desktop, and this is the version which I am using it now. So what about the public version? Yes, even Tableau has the public version, but in the public version you cannot access more than Excel and CSV file. You can only use Excel and CSV file, but you cannot use the other data sources. Okay, so in that case, I also the winner of this is Power BI, and because offers free access to Power BI offers free access to all the data connectors as well as visuals. Okay, you can even use the visuals. If you take in Power BI, you can see all the visuals are directly available, and including your AI visuals. But in terms of Tableau, you cannot access all these things. Again, I'm not talking anything in favor of Power BI or anything in favor of Tableau. It's simple comparison. Okay, whichever wins, I'll just tell you. Okay, the next one is ease of use. Okay, I have used both Tableau and Power BI. As well as I have used Looker. Okay, I feel Power BI is easy to use because here you can see everything is handy. You can simply just use it easily. Whereas in Tableau, yes, but not as friendly as Power BI. Okay, so that is what my understanding. And the Power BI, again, ease of use, Power BI is the winner, and you can see it's more beginner friendly. I feel like it's more beginner friendly. If you wanted to learn Power BI, like if you want to learn data analytics, dashboard creation, report, start with Power BI, and then gradually you can understand, easily use Tableau and as well as Looker or any other thing. Okay. Especially for non-technical, I just want to say it's for non-technical, it's very useful. Okay, non-technical users, it is more easy and more friendly. Next to talk about is data connectivity. Okay, so what comes here with the data connectivity is what Power BI integrates seamlessly with Microsoft ecosystem. You can see here, you can find Microsoft ecosystem here. So once if you go and click on the get data and click more, you can find even in any thing, even in the all, you can see in the files, you can see most of the things are Excel workbook, SharePoint, the Sparklet. And if you take database, you can see SQL Server, Access, SQL, SQL. Yes, of course, it connects IBM as well, but you can see here that Microsoft Fabric, Power Platform. So a lot of connectivity or within the Microsoft connection, which connects to 120 plus data sources, which includes on-premise in the sense even it includes the software, okay, and the cloud option. Whereas Tableau, broader range of native connectors, especially for the niche of databases, and it is stronger. I feel like Tableau is very stronger in the real-time data connection capabilities. Okay, so you can see there are a lot of data connectivity here, like you can find the data connectors, okay, additional connectors also, like installed connectors is 70, additional connectors are 38. Okay, of course it is not beyond 120, but I feel like the real-time connectors are very good in Tableau than Power BI. Okay, so the data connectivity, I feel like the winner is Tableau for the better and variety of data connectivity. Of course, Power BI as well, it connects more. Okay, connectivity with real-time data, better real-time data connectivity. Okay, fine. So next comes your data preparation. So the data preparation, in order to do data preparation, we require an ETL, right? The extract, transform, and load. So in Power BI, you can also find the for ETL, you have to go ahead with the Power Query Editor. Okay, so the Power Query Editor, you can get it from here, which is a transform data. Once you click transform data, it will launch Power Query Editor for you. And of no cost, you can directly use it. But whereas in Tableau, you have to use a Tableau prep builder in order to do your data preparation. Okay, you can see here, this is a Tableau prep builder. So what is the difference? Because Tableau prep builder, you have to install as a separate software. You need the license to use this. Okay, that is an important thing. You cannot use it for free, and it's free, which means you can use it for 15 days. I think only for 15 days you can try. After that you have to pay, and even for Tableau prep builder you have to pay this, but which comes with Tableau desktop. So once if you are paying $75, it includes Tableau desktop, Tableau prep builder, and everything. Okay, Tableau desktop is also a paid one. So that is what, so for me, the winner is Power BI because it offers a free ETL, which is a Power Query Editor, which also simplifies your ETL process. Of course, you cannot do a big thing like SCD or something, but you can do it here. It's excellent for transforming and cleaning the data, whereas Tableau Prep offers a robust data preparation, but it's a separate tool, as I told. Okay, it's only flexible. That is, if you are okay with the advanced level of ETL, you can do it. It has some workflow. You have to do some workflows here. So what I can suggest you is what I have already talked about Tableau Prep Builder in my channel. Okay, so you can see a complete playlist for Tableau, introduction to Tableau. That is a complete playlist for Tableau, complete playlist for Tableau Prep Builder. You can find it here. Okay, I'm just showing, this is my channel. So here you can see Tableau for you, which is a complete tutorial, and this is a Tableau Prep Builder. Okay, you can see how actually Tableau Prep Builder will really works. So for me, Power BI is the winner here, because here it has integrated ETL capability. Okay, ETL capability. Okay, next comes the performance. Okay, so Power BI actually performs well with a small and medium data set. May struggle because sometimes I used to see during the project, like to get the real-time data and to load everything. Sometimes it struggles with a large data set unless optimized with the premium feature. You have to optimize it properly. Whereas Tableau handles a large dataset efficiently with optimized extract files, superior performance in high complexity scenarios. So, according to me, Tableau wins here, and it handles a large dataset. Okay. Got it. So, next comes your visualization. So Power BI offers extensive visualization, and you can do customization, and also you can see you have a custom visuals as well. You can even import lot of visuals from the Microsoft Store here. Okay, most of the things will be free. Sometimes you want to pay and get it, but the basic version you can access it for free. But what is for Tableau? For Tableau, we have to, like, there are not much thing which I saw, like much visuals. Like you can even get it from here. If you click on this extension, you can connect with a lot of various other visuals as well. But I feel like it's not much good than Power BI. Okay, so I feel Power BI is the winner here, which has extensive visualization options and everything. And also, you know, like if you just go to the sheet and if you click on the show me, these are the default available visuals. Okay, it's nearly like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 24, I think 24 visuals you have. Beyond, if you want to use beyond that, you have to try with a different one. And here you cannot see any card visuals or KPIs to indicate. Whereas if you just go ahead and see with the Power BI, you know, you have more than 30, I think. Okay, so this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, so it's 42, right? 6 into 7, 42 plus 1, 43. Beyond that, you can even use this. Okay, for me, so visualization, BI wins in visualization compared with the Tableau. Okay, so next comes advanced analytics. So integrated AI capabilities like Q&A, insights and forecasting. And you can also see here that you can use R as well. You know, like these are all the integrated AI capabilities in Power BI. Okay, and also you can use R and Python here both for ETL as well as for the visual. Whereas in this you can see you cannot directly use R or Python. You can use it, but it uses some advanced one, but not directly. You can try, but not directly. You have to try with an add-ons or something. So even here I feel like Power BI wins. So it has everything like Q&A, like AI analytics. You can use R, you can use Python. Okay, so but Tableau sometimes Tableau also supports MATLAB natively. Okay, and also it has embedded it also has a predictive analytics option, but I feel like Power BI has an efficient one. Okay, Next comes sharing and collaboration. So it has tight integration with Power BI has tight integration with Office 365, which enables seamless collaboration, because everything like right from PPT or your Word, everything are there, and reports can be easily shared via email or Microsoft Teams. You can also use, you can even subscribe and everything. Okay. In Tableau, the collaboration tools are strong but require Tableau server or Tableau online. Okay, so you can see here for Tableau server, you can find here that they are providing Tableau server. Okay, and one creator license for Tableau server or Tableau online for doing this. You cannot that is it also cost, right? You have to, anyhow we are paying it together. Okay, so sharing is less seamlessly compared with Power BI in Microsoft centric environment, because Microsoft's technology is your Power BI. So everything in your Microsoft like Power BI, PowerPoint, everything are seamlessly integrated. You can easily share. But Tableau, it won't support much things. So again, I can tell you like Power BI wins here for the sharing and collaboration, where it has easier collaboration with in Microsoft. Okay, soft ecosystem. So next comes deployment option. So okay, coming to the deployment option, Power BI offers a wide cloud and on-premise thing, okay, and hybrid deployments, as well as Tableau also provides online, Tableau server, Tableau public and everything. It also supports multi-cloud. So both are equal. So I feel a tie between these two. Okay, both have better deployment options. Okay, next comes security. Strong security offered by Power BI, including Azure AD, that is Entra. Now it has changed to Entra ID, right? Entra integrated and role level security. You have object level security. It meets compliance standards like GDPR and HIPAA. Whereas Tableau, it's equally strong with a granular control over user permission and governance, integrates with a broader range of enterprise security protocols as well. So I feel this two tie, so both have robust security. Okay. Next comes your ecosystem integration. So seamless integration with Microsoft tools like Excel, SharePoint and Teams. Whereas Tableau, it's a better integration with Salesforce and other CRM. So ecosystem integration, it depends on the user's requirement. If you are using completely everything as a Salesforce, then go ahead with Tableau. If you are using Microsoft for your Word, PowerPoint, Teams, if you are using everything as a Microsoft, then you have to go with the Power BI. Okay, so Power BI for Microsoft users, I can recommend Power BI for Microsoft users and Tableau for Salesforce users. Okay, and last comes the support and community, which is extensive support, because Microsoft offers a Microsoft Learn, lot of like online sessions and everything. So extensive support and training through Microsoft Learn. So it has Microsoft Learn, whereas Tableau has a vibrant community with creative user contribution. It has a specific online resources as well, but I feel like many of the online resources are paid one. Okay, so if you see here, you can see that you can also get trained. You have a resources. Okay, learn Tableau, you have free video, but if you want to do something like build data literacy or something which is which you want to understand even more better, you have to pay and do it. Okay, so that is the thing here for for Tableau. But as far as Microsoft, I could see that all the Power BI, every certifications are free to access. Okay, so I go ahead with Power BI because of course you have a lot of blogs and everything, but beyond that what Microsoft directly offers. Okay, I prefer Power BI, but if you want to go ahead with the support systems directly from the Microsoft or Salesforce, sometimes you may even consider TIE. Okay, so it's like Power BI, which has Microsoft Learn and free courses and everything from Microsoft itself. I'm talking, like, I'm not telling anybody, like, individually. So I hope like, even we can just leave this TIE and depends, these two, and comparatively to see, I prefer Power BI if I wanted to go ahead with all these things. Okay, so recommended is what, like, choose Power BI if you are already using a Microsoft product, want an affordable solution, or need simpler analytics and collaboration. You can choose Tableau if your priority is advanced analytics, visual storytelling, or handling larger data sets. So, in terms of storyboard, I think Tableau offers a direct storyboarding platform, like a canvas, whereas Power BI don't have any storyboarding canvas. So of course Power BI wins. Power BI, you have to choose, like, accordingly. So it all depends on how the users are choosing and what user wants. Okay, thank you. I'll meet you soon with the next exciting video. What do you want next, please comment it below. I can help you out. Take care. Bye bye. Have a great day.